Let me guess. You want to be able to rock a frontal wig, but you just don't know how to make one. Well, it's okay, because this tutorial will be perfect for you. I'll show you how to make a lace closure into a frontal real quick and easy. Alright, so in order to customize your lace closure, you're going to need developer, bleach, an applicator, and a mixing bowl. I prefer a mixing bowl. It's not that much at the beauty supply, probably like $1 or $2. But yeah, this will really help you to be able to mix your bleach. I'm just gonna mix that in there until I get a thickish consistency. It kind of came out a little watery for my liking, but make sure you don't put too much developer or too much bleach. You just want the right amount, but either way, it shouldn't matter. So then I'm just gonna put my closure on my mannequin head with using T-pins, and I'm just gonna spread that onto the lace. And you don't have to put it on the mannequin head. I just chose to do this so you guys can see what I'm doing, and it was easier to record that way. But usually I would just put it on a flat surface and apply the bleach. After about 20 minutes of bleaching, I really liked the way my closure came out. It matched my skin tone, and that was what I was going for, so it was just perfect. I'm going to place my closure on my mannequin head, and I moved the closure a little bit over the actual wig cap because that's how I'm going to sew it on. So I wanted to make sure that it'll look the same way, if that makes sense. So if I haven't mentioned before, this is a free part closure. Free part closures are like the mini versions of a frontal. And I really wanted to work with that because I don't really know how to make frontals. So I just thought a free part closure would be similar. And it was. And I really, really love it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of hair from the front. I'll take my tweezers and then just start tweezing a little bit from the front. I didn't do too much, but hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I just tweeze as much as I would want to be transparent, if that makes sense. So then I just moved the front hairs over and I just started plucking from the front. Make sure you pluck as much that is comfortable for your liking. Don't over pluck because hair sheds every day. And if you over pluck, you're not gonna like the way it looks. So I just made sure I plucked a little bit and I was pleased with the way it looks, so. Now my favorite part, time to form the baby hairs. I just took a little portion from the very front of the closure and I used my blazer that I bought from the beauty supply. I think it was $1. Literally everything's $1 at the beauty supply. And I just cut off as much as I would feel comfortable wearing as baby hairs. Then I'm going to take my Eco Styling Gel and a toothbrush that I use for my edges, not my teeth. And I'm just going to pretty much form it into the shape that I would like. I think I prefer Eco Styler more for baby hairs, but honestly it's curly hair. So you can literally just use water and it'll do the same thing. But for the purpose of the video, I use gel. And yeah, that was pretty much all I did for this free part closure. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys. Hopefully y'all can see the details. Hopefully you guys liked this part 1. Part 2 will be coming out on how I actually made the wig, so stay tuned for that. Mwah.